We've seen an example of the read key method. I'm not going to talk about gathering data out of the read key method, but I do want to talk about two things. I want to talk about string variables, and I want to talk about the Console.ReadLine method. So I'm going to write a simple program right here. I'm going to say Console.write, please enter your name. Then I'm going to say string name equals Console.ReadLine. Then I'm going to say Console.WriteLine, your name is plus name. Now this demonstrates a lot of stuff that we haven't yet talked about. So let me go ahead and run this, show you guys what this code does, and then we'll explain it further. So it says please enter your name. Despite what the webinar says, my name is actually Nelson LeKay. And when I hit enter, it says your name is Nelson LeKay. And then at this point, we are now on line 12, which prevents the console from closing until I hit a key. So I hit a key and the console closes.